Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Shopee Affiliate Marketing is a program that allows individuals or businesses to earn a commission by promoting Shopee's products and driving sales through their referral links. Here's how you can make money from Shopee Affiliate to make money from Shopee Affiliate Marketing. You can follow these steps: 1. Sign up for Shopee Affiliate Program. Visit Shopee's website and look for their affiliate program sign-up page. You may need to provide some information about your website or promotional platform. 2. Receive your unique affiliate links. After being approved, you'll receive unique affiliate links or banners that you can use to promote Shopee's products. 3. Select products to promote. Choose products or categories that are relevant to your audience or niche. It's more effective to promote products that align with your content or the interests of your audience. 4. Create quality content. Generate content that incorporates your affiliate links. This could be blog posts, videos, social media posts, or any other format that resonates with your audience. 5. Drive traffic. Promote your content through your chosen channels. Share it on your blog, social media, or other platforms to attract visitors and potential buyers. And 6. Build trust. Be transparent about your affiliate marketing activities. Disclose that you may earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your affiliate links. Building trust with your audience is crucial. 7. Optimize for conversions. Experiment with different strategies to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. This might involve testing different types of content, promotional techniques, and the placement of affiliate links. 8. Track performance. Use the tracking tools provided by Shopee's affiliate program to monitor your performance. This can help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. 9. Consistency is key. Consistency in promoting products and engaging with your audience is important for long-term success. 10. Receive commissions. As people make purchases through your affiliate links, you'll earn commissions based on the sales generated. The exact commission rate and payment schedule will depend on Shopee's affiliate program terms. 11. Cash out earnings. Once you've accumulated a sufficient amount of commissions, you can request a payout, typically through the payment method specified by the affiliate program. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time and effort. Building a loyal and engaged audience, creating valuable content, and effectively promoting products are key to making money through the Shopee affiliate program.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below. This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.